All right, guys, we got another Kona in 2023 Kona N 2.0 Turbo. Look at this thing, beauty. And what we got done on it, it's all factory up there. Then we added a pipe, took the resonator out, and put a stainless steel bros that he brought himself. Here is the part number right there. Stainless bros. I don't know why I call it stainless steel. Stainless bros resonator. There's the part number, guys. There'll be a link in the description for it. And we added pipe in there, so you will need to add pipe for it to fit. Okay, so I would take it to a shop, get it professionally done. And then 2.5 out the back. And then it's got the dual muffler out the back. Single in, dual outside. Okay, with a valve on one side right there. So when it gets into sport mode, that's when it opens up and gets crazy loud. There it is. Kona N 2.0 Turbo. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. All right, guys, we got a 2023 Hyundai Kona N Turbo. You guys can see right there. And what we did, we took off this massive factory converter right there. We took that off the turbo. It's hot, guys, sorry. Right there. Restriction. He brought in his own catalytic converter. And we installed it. It's right off the turbo. I'll show it to you guys once we bring it down too. There it is right there. There it is. High flow cat. But it did not line up with the turbo, with the flex pipe. So we had to cut it there and reinstall it to make it fit. So anyways, that happened. Then we did a resonator delete earlier in the year there. Then he had an AWE system or aFe system, aFe power, 3-inch system from the resonator back, aFe power, dual exhaust there and there. And these Kona ends come with a valve on them on one side, as you guys can see. And I think the aFe just deletes that completely. There's no valve in it, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyways, we'll see if we can get you guys links for everything. So we installed the high flow cat on it. It was a pain in the butt, but we got it done. And Hyundai, we hate you. Anyways, make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video because it's going to have a beautiful drive up. So stay tuned. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. As you guys can see, it's all nice and covered like nothing happened. But it's got a high flow cat on it now. There it is. That's the old one right there. That's the new one. It was a pain, but we got it done. Look how tight it is. Hyundai Kona N with a stainless bros resonator swap. So that opens the valve, lets it breathe a lot more, as you guys can see. Man, that sounds sick. Here's sound decibels. 107. That's awesome. That sounds so good. Go ahead and back it out. That's where the resonator, he tried to do it himself and didn't work. It started leaking. I don't blame him for trying though. He did a good job for what it is. Kona N. Look at that pop. It sounds so good. Rev it one time. So right now the valve is closed because it's smoking a lot. I had one side only. Again. There's sound decibels with the valve closed. Right at 101. Again. Press the N button. Big difference. As you guys can see. Again. I like it with it open. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 111. Again. High flow cat did the trick. Rev it hard. That's with the valve open, guys. Go ahead and close it. I like it with it open. Yep. It's a cool little car. Cool little design. Get the best of both worlds, loud and quiet. There it is. High flow cat aFe system. Wheels are okay. Stars. I really like the beefed up front look of it. I really like that. It just makes it fits the car more than being all slim, you know. It's all uniform. It almost looks like a body kit on it. Look at these. I like them. Can you tell them to stop welding? Look at that thing fly. He's smooth out of a Kona. Kona N. With the end open, so it's fully straight pipe. It's got a high flow cat on it. We'll get you guys links for everything in the description too. That's his buddy with the 430. Beautiful. That sounds so good.